Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, Samke posts a picture of herself. She hasn't posted in a while, I guess. I'm not sure if it's that she's not a social media person or it's that the show is currently go on and Guningi Bandla, but she posted these very cute pictures of hers. This is a look from one of the diary sessions from the show Uthando Nesthembu, and she titled or captioned the pictures embrace the journey, you guys. Now there's many ways we can try and interpret whatever she meant. We don't know, and rather, let me speak for myself. I don't know if it's embrace the journey of becoming Mrs. Mselegu, embrace the journey of people swearing you, embrace the journey of Angas, you guys. But all we know is that she is embracing the journey, you guys. Maybe when the show comes to an end, we'll get to know ukuthi like where's her stunt, if she's still with Umselegu. But word on the streets does say ukuthi she is very much still in a relationship with Ubaba Umselegu. Now the comment section, you guys, the comment section is such a mix because there's some people saying Aibo Coco Melon way, two other people saying girl you look so beautiful, and other people judging Usamke to say ukuthi Kelly kodwa nawe, out of all people Umselegu, she hasn't responded to any of the comments, you guys. But listen, people were just waiting for her to post the picture and for them to have a comment on something or a comment on her. But there's one comment that I saw that just kind of made me laugh, and I'm like, yay! This person says, don't be scared of those grannies or don't be scared of those grannies when they don't welcome you. When I just love your man, those grannies, hi, you threatening them. You are a fresh blood with laughing emojis. This person goes on to say their batteries are no longer charging, I guess, or no charging anymore. Bethugile nje ukuthi, hey, this girl, she is still fresh. Tina, we are grannies. I loved you guys because I just think Guguti like nah guys, like I really hope Gugutu Samke doesn't hold on to this thought, because sometimes I've realized Gugutu, when you come into a situation for a lot of girls, when people warn you, you think people are jealous of you, you think people want your man and all of these negative things. But all I'm saying, a lot of people can't be saying the same thing about one person. Never mind the public ukuthi thina sithini, because at the end of the day, we are just paying DSTV subscriptions and watching that. But listen to what the wives are saying, you guys. And I think what Umayeni even said, Wudaibo nawuzozibonela ngena. Nathi-ke, when we came in, it was a similar thing. We thought was special. She didn't actually say that. But what I'm saying is that when you come into such a situation, you think, to you, the special one? You think Gudaibo, these grannies, they are just batugile and whatnot, which there might be a truth to it, guys. Maybe batugile because she is fresh blood. But I mean, guys, if you watch from season 1, you'll be able to suss out and tell what type of man Umselegu is. And listen, some of the things he says are not very kind about his wives. He is definitely the type of man that way it's like his way or the highway. So anyway, Usamke is her life, guys. She must embrace the journey, because at the end of the day, some people were actually saying, "Hayibo bonke abangakhani abafazi bakamsile bangene kanjani?" So Usamke, they must leave Usamke alone. I think whatever they say at this point, Usamke seems to have made up her mind, you guys. And I think ukuthi she might have calculated the risk. She might not have seen it all, but I mean, she might have known, or at least it went through her mind, which is fine. When this relationship comes out, people are gonna judge me. So I do think she is a little bit prepared for that. Maybe for the wives' response, which she thought with it, which they would accept her. But I know from the public, which she must have, kind of went through it in her head, which people are gonna judge her. Listen, baby girl, nah, I'm not here to judge you. I'm not gonna judge you. Do what you wanna do, girl. But all I'm saying is make sure you look out for yourself, some okay? Make sure you look out for yourself. You can see the situation. Just make sure when you're calculating the cost, you put yourself at the forefront so that if anything happens to your man, you know now you're secure and life can still go on after that. Anyway, guys, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Guys, please do make sure you watch the ads. That is just your way of showing support towards the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.